Hi, and thank you for joining us. Today's tech tip is setting reference. And this may happen. You may be doing a test and this symbol may appear on the front of your tester. Before we get started, let's see what that is. So setting reference is looking at the tolerances inside the connectors. With the advent of DCRU and PoE testing, every time we insert or make a connection, the tips and contacts may start to wear down. And DCRU requires zero point 0.2 ohms to do a test. It's a very, very sensitive test. And we're testing across all those 4 pairs on each tip. So as those connected tips wear, dirt, debris, as well as temperature play an important part when we're testing for DCRU. So to set reference, we'll need a channel adapter. So the channel adapters are shipped with the LanTEK 4S. We're just going to take one off. So to do this process, we'd take off the permanent link adapter. This is the VisiLink permanent link adapter. And when we do set reference, we always do both adapters. So we're starting with this side. We're going to put the channel adapter on this one side. And now we're going to move to the screen so you can see it a bit close up on what our steps are. And now that we have a close-up, just to summarize, we have the permanent link on this side and a channel adapter on this side, and we have now connected both devices. So the permanent link adapter is connected to the channel adapter on that side. To take the next step is go to Settings, go to Set Reference, and Set Reference. Selecting Set Reference will take a few minutes whilst it goes through a detailed test. So the set reference is a method to recalibrate the leads. And the reason we do that is that connections collect dirt, debris, and dust. And each time we insert into those connections, the fine tolerances when we test for DCRU can create an imbalance. If we think about that imbalance, what is DCRU? Typically, we're looking at the resistance across all the 8 wires in a cable. So that's the 4 pair and each individual wire. You can see now our set reference is finished and it says success and it's ready to go. The last step would be remember to change this out and always set reference on your second device. So we would do that step a second time and go through that to complete our set reference. That's our tech tip for today. Thank you so much for joining us and looking forward to seeing you again.
Wish yours did that? Time to go blue.